in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make like a clicker game where you can click this thing and get some money. So let's get started. First, I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to call it money. Okay, so I'm going to change this. I'm going to make it like a circle. I'm going to fill it to be yellowish, and then the outline I'm going to make it black. Then I'm going to put $sign in the middle. That. Okay, so now let's just set the size to 200. It's a bit small. So when green flag clicked, we want it to go to the middle, which is 0, 0. So get a forever block, if else statement, and put an if then in the if then statement. So if touching mouse pointer and if mouse down, so if touching mouse pointer, then we want to set the brightness effect to -10. Else, we want to clear graphic effects. Mouse down, then we want to change money by 1, and then you want to wait until not mouse down. So let's try it. It's working. Now to make it a bit more clear, I'm just going to create another sprite. I'm going to call it +1. I'm going to call this coin. So +1, I'm just going to make it $1. I'm going to put it there. So after change money by 1, then I'm going to broadcast a new message called +1. So go to the +1. When green flag clicked, we want to hide. And when I receive +1, then we want to show, grab a repeat 10. So we want to change y by maybe 1.3, and also we also want to change the ghost effect by maybe 1. Let's try it. Wait, and then also after the show, we also need to use the clear graphic effects. Let's try it now. Wait, also when you do the +1, it needs to go there. Let's set it to 1. No, maybe not 150. How about 125? Yeah. So when I receive +1, needs to go over there, and then maybe repeat 20. Let's try it now. Wait, no, you need, no, it's too slow. Maybe 3.2. Maybe change ghost effect by 3. But now maybe 18. Like that. Now let's try. Maybe like 6. Let's try again. Now it's working. Remember to save, and also remember to set money to 0 when green flag is clicked, and name your game. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!